Welcome to Career Exploration. This quick training tutorial will help you understand how to submit an assignment to the course. We're going to jump into the second study guide, and you will notice in the assignment grid there are places where you have to submit a URL. These are all what we call assignments in the MyConnect tool, and I'm going to demonstrate how you will use this. Also, before we get too far into this, you need to make sure that you've already logged in to your Google Drive so that you can access and complete the task. In this particular assignment, Compare and Contrast Resumes, you will be looking at documents that are hosted on the Google Drive that you're going to be downloading. So you're going to read your directions, and I would encourage you to read them all before you jump in. This first particular assignment here is having you access a Google document, and when you click on it, it will open up that Google document, and you're going to notice my browser tabs. I now have a tab for MyConnect, I have a tab for the document, the Google document, and I have a tab for my particular Google Drive. This document right now, the 3 F's of resume writing, is a view only, and you are going to be asked to fill this in. In order to fill it in, you need to save it to your own personal Google Drive. To do that, you will go File and Make a Copy. The naming convention at the top will stay the same and add the words Copy of. What we would like you to do is add your name to this document. So I'm going to just scrub off and I'll put Student. At this point, the document is now saved on your drive, and we can double check that by clicking on My Drive tab, and you will notice the document now shows up in my directory. If you want to change how you're viewing your documents, you can use the list view as well. Okay, so now back on the document, you will notice that when I am in the edit mode on my drive, I have all of these options available, where when I'm on the view only one, I have limited. So at this point I can close this particular document because I'm done grabbing it. In essence, what I've done is I've Xeroxed it so I can write on it. Now we're going to return to the MyConnect assignments, and again, we're going to recommend that you read through everything before you jump in. So in this case, it wants you to save this document to your Google Drive, which we've already done. Then it wants you to access sample resumes, so we'll go ahead and click on that, and you'll notice again I get a new tab. They want you to review these resumes, and as you review them, there were questions that you were going to complete in part 2 of the 3 F's of resume writing. So what is the function of the resume, what's the form, and what was the effectiveness? Once you've filled that document in, you'll come back and continue to complete all of the activities that it's asked for. When you are done completing that document, you want to turn it in as an assignment. And to do that, what you're going to do is return to your completed document. Click the Share button, and you're going to get the shareable link. When you have the shareable link, somebody can only view this document. If you want to change those settings, you can click right here and say anyone can edit, anyone can comment, or anyone can view. In the actual instructions of the assignment, the instructor will tell you which one they want to have available on your shared document. In this case, I'm going to do with comment. And now I'm going to click on that hyperlink. I am going to copy it. I'm then going to return to MyConnect. And at the very top, because this was an assignment, you will notice it says Submit Assignment. So at this point, I click on the Submit Assignment. I am going to submit that address using the website URL. I'll paste it in there, I can add a comment if I want. And then I'm going to submit. What you have done at this point is you have turned in your completed document for review and grading. You have some options over here on the right side, depending on how the instructor has set it up. If you need to resubmit your document, you can go ahead and do that as well. For example, if you resubmitted the wrong link or something like that. Once you're done with submitting, you can return to the course and continue through the work, or you can go ahead and log out. This concludes this training video.